all of a sudden they're going to change and, you know, be different
Oh,
with your team just because of your culture, what's going on out there.
A busted play. Steelers are saying the ball came out.
The ball came out.
The ball did come out.
So I'm assuming you looked at the roster.
Hold on.
It is going to be Pittsburgh football here.
Oh no! Oh no! Hey, nah. Look. When you're in midst of chaos, okay? When you know you had a ball and you need to get the hell out.
Another team that all of a sudden they're going to change and
Just throw the ball out. Just go down. Just slide. You already fumbled it once. You probably gonna fumble it twice, and the ball gonna say, "Come on, man."
what's going on out there.
A busted play.
He said, "What's going on out there?"
Damn.
Damn.
The ball came out twice.
So I'm assuming.